Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Chris from SunFaded Garage, and today what we're doing is we are bringing back this Kia Optima. Been sitting here about a year. We're going to bring it back to life. But it's not a regular Kia Optima. You'll see that once we get into it. She's been dead for about 6 months, so we're going to have to get into this thing just to pop the hood. There she goes. So she's a little dirty, a little dusty, but this is just their normal 2-liter turbo with a 93 tune, a 4-inch intake, aftermarket downpipes, a Treadstone intercooler, 2 catch cans, and the biggest thing, it is meth injected, methanol. Catless exhaust, it's a bad car. So now see if we can get this thing started. Got a jump pack we're going to put on her. It's a lot easier than jumper cables. Hook this bad boy up. Red to red, black to black. There we go. Let's see. She's alive. Listen to that baby purr. Not bad after sitting for almost a year. And it has a Synapse blow-off valve. Aftermarket intercooler piping. You can see some of it from here. And one thing Treadstone did is, this was one of the first Kias that got the Treadstone intercooler. They actually etched it onto the radiator support. They etched it on both sides. And then this also had a lot of the first kinetic parts on it. I think there's some other stuff along the vehicle, but that's one of the main ones that are a pretty sharp piece on this thing. Everything looks good. Zach, you want to jump on in there? Show them a little bit about it. So this thing has a carbon fiber steering wheel. It has a methanol gauge on top over here, a boost gauge, then a battery gauge that I can see now needs to be replaced.
She's a little rough.
It has some upgraded paddle shifter extensions. It actually has a picture of the car on the screen that was put in, which is pretty cool. And this thing only has, let's see what the mileage is. It's a 2013 and she has 52,932 miles.
We want to take it for a spin or let it idle for a couple minutes?
I think we could take her for a spin.
All right, let's go.
All right. Get this AC kicking too. It's been a while.
That's cool.
Yeah, it has LED inserts in the doors. Oh, I forgot about the sunroof. 2 of them.
Dual sunroof. She just needs a little detail. She'll be just right.
I don't even know if the tires are good on this thing. I guess we'll see. Everything seems to be good. Engine's almost up to temp. She's dirty as can be, and oh, some stuff on the brakes. Oh. Let's see if she still got the juice. Oh yeah, she's still alive. Pulls pretty good.
I like it.
26 pounds of boost, and I don't know exactly how the methanol I know after it hits 12 pounds of boost is when it starts spraying. Sounds pretty good. Not bad.
Yeah.
Now time to bring her back to life. She's a dirty old car. We're thinking it has BC Extremes on it now. We think we're probably just gonna go with the BC Street Series because this thing used to be on bags.
Yeah.
And we converted it over to just coilovers just for, I wouldn't say reliability, but one less thing that we have to worry about going bad. Better. Carbon fiber side skirts. Not too bad. Need some touches. Need to polish that bad thing before it's too far gone. I got that custom made from Japan. Took about 3 weeks to get here. So something I did forget to mention was this grill was actually made by a company called Roadrunner. That's kind of hard to see, but in its time, this was one of the first things they had for this. We did get all the LEDs working for the most part. We got, the inside lights that change, outside halo rings, and that was, done aftermarket. The insides were painted to match the same color as the car. And then these fog lights down here that are in these little housings, these are retrofitted out of a Ford Fusion. So it's definitely a different touch. We did notice on this front lip right here, there's some damage. So we're gonna end up fixing that for sure. And then on this side, we noticed that these halo rings are not working. Lights inside are, but the halos aren't. So yeah, we're gonna have some fixing to do there, but this down here seems okay.
Looks like that we gotta fix that ring too.
Yeah, so this whole side of rings must be out. So it's probably gonna be one wire, and I think we found out which one it could be. The one hanging probably lets the signal go from this side to this side. It's probably where our issue is.
Yeah, she needs a little bit of work, but.
And you can kind of see that big intercooler hose.
Oh yeah.
Going across, so. All right guys, that's about it for that. I'm not gonna bore you with washing this thing, but stay tuned. We definitely got some work to do on it. And that's all from SunFaded Garage. Like and follow. See you later.